Hello guys, welcome to TravelScout. In this video, we are going to tell you the top places you can visit in Paradise Triple Lake Louise, Alberta. What is Paradise Triple Lake Louise, Alberta? Paradise Triple Lake Louise, Alberta is a beautiful place that offers endless opportunities for outdoor activities, culture, and relaxation. With its crystal clear waters, forested surroundings, and rocky outcroppings, the community is perfect for swimming, fishing, boating, and hiking. In addition to its natural attractions, the community has several resorts and hotels that provide visitors with excellent accommodations and adventurous activities. If you're looking for an idyllic place to retire or take a vacation, look no further than Triple Lake Louise in Alberta. The lake is popular with boaters and fishermen, and its crystal clear waters make it a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the views. Other activities that can be enjoyed at Triple Lake Louise include hiking, swimming, fishing, and birdwatching. If you're looking for something more challenging, there are several miles of trails that lead from the water's edge to beautiful mountain peaks. The origins of Paradise Triple Lake Louise, Alberta. The origins of Paradise Triple Lake Louise, Alberta date back to 1873 when a young man, John A. MacDonald, discovered the area and named it after his hometown of Stratholme, Scotland. The name was later changed to Louise because of the triple lakes that stretched across the landscape. Now there are three main lakes that make up Paradise Triple Lake Louise: Lac La Biche, Lac Neige, and Lac Stjock. Each has its own unique features and attractions that make it a great place to stay or visit. If you're looking for a place where you can enjoy all aspects of nature, then Lac La Biche is your best bet. It has several hiking trails that take you from the water's edge to high in the trees, making it a perfect spot for a day hike or an overnight visit. The beauty of the water and land in Paradise Triple Lake Louise, Alberta. If you're looking for a place to escape the hustle and bustle of life, then Triple Lake Louise is the perfect place to do so. The water is so beautiful and clear that you can see everything in it, while the land is lush with trees and green fields. There are so many places to explore in this area that it's hard to choose just one spot to visit, but here are some of our favorites. 1. The Visitor Center is a must-see if you're looking for an overview of the area. It's home to a library with a collection of local history books, as well as exhibits on the history of the region. 2. The beach is a great spot for swimming, sunbathing, or just spending time on the water. Welcome to the Paradise Triple Lake Louise, Alberta. This area is known for its crystal clear waters, lush vegetation, and breathtaking views. Here you'll find top places to visit that will leave you feeling refreshed and invigorated. From a small lakeside cottage to an expansive outdoor meadow, these destinations have all been designed with the guest in mind. So whether you're looking for a short weekend getaway or an extended stay, top places to visit in Paradise Triple Lake Louise, Alberta. If you're looking for a place to escape the hustle and bustle of life, look no further than the tiny town of Triple Lake Louise in Alberta. The community is nestled in a picturesque valley and offers plenty to do, from exploring the beautiful parkland around town to taking a day trip to visit the nearby glaciers. While there's no shortage of things to do in Triple Lake Louise, you'll also find plenty of tourist spots worth checking out if you're looking for an idyllic getaway. Here are top places that will make your summer days all the more enjoyable. The Lighthouse. The Lighthouse is a beautiful building that was built in 1892 and features an original fresco painting by Canadian artist Reginald Bell. Paradise Triple Lake Louise, Alberta is a picturesque location in Canada that contains some of the most beautiful valleys, lakes, and mountains in the area. The region is home to a variety of animal species, such as elk, deer, and moose. There are also several hiking trails that make this area one of the best places to explore in the area. In addition to all of these attractions, there are also a variety of restaurants and businesses available that offer great food and services. If you're looking for a luxury getaway, look no further than the Triple Lake Louise area of Alberta. With crystal clear lakes and lush green forests, this region is definitely a place to be in paradise. The village of Cawston is a small town located on the shores of Triple Lake Louise. This charming town offers a variety of activities, including fishing, swimming, and hiking. The village of Cawston is a small town located on the shores of Triple Lake Louise. This charming town has become a popular place to visit for its beautiful scenery, historical significance, and natural resources. The village has a community store, post office, public library, and several restaurants and cafes. Cawston also has a children's playground, a swimming pool, and a golf course. Paradise Triple Lakes Louise, Alberta is an excellent place to visit if you are looking for a relaxing escape from the hustle and bustle of life. With 3 beautiful lakes, there are plenty of places to explore and take in the beauty of nature. If you're looking for something more active, be sure to check out the nearby resorts or attractions. Pleasure is found in every quadrant of paradise Lake Louise, Alberta, but one of the most popular areas is the town of Banff. Here you can explore the old logging roads and hiking trails, take a fishing trip on the Banff Lake, visit the Thompson Falls, and see some of the animals living in this beautiful park. The campgrounds on the shores of Lake Louise provide excellent opportunities for camping and relaxation. Paradise Lake Louise, Alberta is a picturesque location perfect for a relaxing weekend getaway. With its crystal clear waters, forested surroundings, and wide range of activities to enjoy, this place is sure to please visitors. Lake Louise is a stunning location for camping and fishing. There are over 20 campsites that offer all the amenities you need, from fireplaces to bathrooms. The beaches are also great for swimming, sunbathing, and fishing. If there's one thing that the campgrounds have in common, it's their low prices. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or just some peace and relaxation, these 12 campgrounds will fit the bill. If you're looking for a relaxing, stress-free vacation, look no further than the town of Paradise, Alberta. With its rolling hills and crystal clear waters, it's an ideal location to stay in, while enjoying all the natural beauty of Lake Louise. From hiking and canoeing to swimming and fishing, there's something for everyone to do in this picturesque community. And if that's not enough to keep you busy, there are plenty of shopping options nearby if you're looking for a little bite on the go. Recommendations for each place visited in Paradise Lake Louise, Alberta. Introduction. Top places to visit in Paradise Lake Louise, Alberta are some of the most amazing places in the world. The landscape is breathtaking, and the water is so refreshing. There are so many unique things to see and do here, it's hard to choose just one place to visit. 1. The Old Fort. This fort was built in 1867 by the British. It's a great place to explore, and there are beautiful views of the surrounding hills from inside. 2. Hell's Gate Provincial Park. This park is located on the border of Lake Louise and Banff National Park. It's a great place for hikes, camping, and fishing. 3. Banff National Park. Banff National Park, if you're looking for a place to stay in Paradise Lake Louise, Alberta, then look no further than the Park Lake Cottage. This property is perfect for anyone looking for a rustic yet luxurious experience. With its own private dock and fishing pond, it's easy to spend your days and nights lounging around the property. If you're looking for something more serious, there are plenty of activities to keep you busy. There's an arena with a wood-burning stove, a theater with a large screen, and even a zoo. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.